I think GEM is the event of the year. It's even better than the World Travel Market because you have here all the tour operators from all over the world, and we have 10 minutes to convince them to work with us. And I have like about 40 appointments today, so I hope I get 10 clients out of it.
GEM is a fantastic event for us because it allows us to see a lot of people in a very short amount of time.
What I love about GEM is having the opportunity to be able to network with peers, but also being able to work collaboratively with our domestic products.
I love GEM because it gives you the opportunity to connect with new partners, as well as reconnect with old partners, so re-establish the connection. I've been to others as well, and very, very much important as well, but GEM is for me the best one.
I like the fact that GEM is easy to combine with events like WTM. I like the fact that GEM is also located in London, which is a very important hub for us.
It's very concentrated. In the space of 9 hours, I get to talk to so many influential companies and people. And you really can do business here. We do business every time. I've had 3 appointments so far this morning, and each one has led to something that will come to fruition.
It's a time factor. So you only travel to one destination, but you meet so many partners from various destinations and source markets.
GEM is my favourite event of the year. Of everything that we do through the year, it's the most beneficial. If I could recommend for anyone to attend one event in London, it would be GEM, by far.
GEM, in 3 words, is a powerful networking opportunity.
GEM for me is always a different experience. It's never dull, never boring.
Very important for doing business.